in the first place, we got those two examples that have been put forward. Okay, so how can we work them out? Okay, equals to 0 equals to 0. Okay, so we are going to actually factorize them and find the values of what? X. All right, because in this case we're going to find the value of x. Also, we're going to find the value of x in this case. All right, so as far as this problem is concerned, we know for sure that x, the first coefficient of x is 1, because 1 times 1 or any figure or any number, the answer remains the same. So 1 is our first coefficient of x, right? So we are going to multiply that first coefficient of x with the constant. We multiply, and then the answer is 6. Or we can put the positive sign 6, just the same. All right, so in this case we're going to find the factors that we multiply to give us the constant 6, and whenever we add or subtract should give us positive sign 5. All right, so there are actually a couple of factors that we could look around, but if we could think it wise, we know for sure that between it's actually 2 and 3 that could suit our situation. Okay, why is it possible? Because 2 plus 3, the answer is 5, and 2 times 3, the answer is 6. So these factors really suit our situation. All right, so we're going to replace these factors where there is plus 5x. So it means we're going to remove 5 and put them actually where they will replace that 5x. All right, it will be therefore x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. All right, and then we separate them with the brackets in order for us to find the factors from those two brackets. Okay, so between x squared and 2x, x is the common factor. We open the bracket, x into x squared, the answer is x, and the x into 2x, x and x, they do cancel, so it's plus 2. We close that bracket. Let's come to the next bracket. We take our sign to say positive, let's say plus sign. Between 3x and 6, only 3 is the common factor, so we take that 3 right there. 3 into 3x, 3 and 3, they do cancel, we remain with x. 3 into 6, we take our sign to say 3 into 6, it comes to be 2. All right, equals to 0. So we know for sure that we are on the right track if in both of those brackets we got the same factor, x plus 2, x plus 2. So we take 1 to say x plus 2, and in another bracket we take the first x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so in this case we are able to find the values of x. All right, so therefore x plus 2 equals to 0, or x plus 3 equals to 0. All right, so in this case we can say x, these two crosses the equal sign, it changes the sign to be positive. All right, it changes the sign to be positive, so actually negative. So x equals to minus 2, or x, also 3 crosses the equal sign, it changes the sign to be negative as well. Okay, equals to minus 3. Therefore either x equals to minus 2 or minus 3. This is the end of our problem. This is the solution to our problem, all right? So that's how it works as far as this problem is concerned. Okay, this is the solution to this problem.